If you do technical SEO, you know the drill. Expensive subscription, per seat pricing, and your crawl data sitting on someone else's server. What if you could run a full audit platform, crawl, issue, lighthouse, search console, content writing, even AI on infrastructure you control? Site Audit is an open source alternative to commercial SEO audit platforms. It crawls your site like screaming frog, build priorities issues, run lighthouse, accessibility checks, connect your Google Search Console, Google Analytics, Bing Web. Getting started with this project is as quick as 3 lines of code. There is no subscription tier, it is MIT license and your data stays in your database. I am not going to turn this into install tutorials. There is a quick start in README. But once it ups, you land into this page. On start page, you will see presentation style of the website. This presentation will basically show you what it can do and all kind of stuff in this website. This is your crawl pipeline. Discovers URL from sitemaps or spider, fetch pages with static or JavaScript rendering, then build reports. You can tune settings, crawl depth, JS rendering, lighthouse, image props, but for first run, default works fine. Here is few more settings, advanced settings in performance lighthouse, and we have keywords mapping. You can provide data there. There is Google Search Console, which you can connect with your Google Analytics and stuff. There is AI provider. You can select any provider you want, like Grok, Cloud, OpenAI, none, or anything. And there is like task, which task you want AI to do, and there is more settings onward, and there is also limit how much data you want to query through Lighthouse. Now let's go to, for our demo purpose, let's crawl codefriday.in. I have selected default settings and I have opted for check marks. There is 15 pages, and let's click on run button, and it will show what are the things it is doing currently. Like in your log, you can see like how many pages it is crawling. Now our website is crawling, and let me go to overview and go back to see what are the things it is crawling. It has done crawling. Now started lighthouse analyzing, and let me collapse all the things, and you can see like what application it is currently in background doing. It is showing you all the things, and currently it has completed lighthouse, and it is in actually process. Now it has completed lighthouse. Now it is started site auditing, and it will be finished in a few seconds. Let's wait for it, and it has done completed. Let's go back to overview, and the overview is your command center. Here you will find health score, crawl stats, category breakdowns, everything at a glance. Categories cover on page SEO, performance, security, accessibility, indexation, and more. Each gets a score, so you know where to focus first. Here is some crawl snapshot. Let's move to chart tab. In chart tab you will find status code and many more different kinds of charts which is related to our websites, which we have just crawled. We have performance light score, social view, and different kinds of stuff. And in health tab you will find related to lighthouse performance, and you will find like different things, and you can also get suggestion. In top page it will show you like most. Let's go to all the URLs it has currently crawled right now. In all URLs you will find all the URLs which has just currently crawled right now, and you will get more insights if you click on inspect more, and you will get per page performance reports, like how many keywords there are, and page analysis, like for example if there is any issue you can also get AI suggestion by clicking on AI suggestion, and you will get some insight. And there is resources, like how many different kinds of URL it has and different kinds of things. There is a lot more of different tabs in there. You will find different things, different type of analysis. Let's say for example if you go in the search console, you will find data related from search console itself, and in issue tab you will find issue related to this page and page analysis and many things. Let's move to performance tab, which is lighthouse performance. Performance pulls core web vitals and lighthouse score per page. On page SEO checks title, meta description, headings, content and signals, image SEO flags, missing alt tags, lazy loading issue, and different kinds of things. For example, you can select any URL you want, and you will have like diagnosis, and you will get more about things, and there is LCP. Let's move to Google integration part. You can connect your Google Search Console and GA4 with your credentials, and nothing is fabricated if Google is connected. You will see empty state if there is nothing connected with your Google. Otherwise you will see search performance, so clicks, impression, top queries from GSC, traffic posts, Google Analytics sessions. You have queries which is related to your website, and there is lots more suggestion, and they are like queries related to your website heat, opportunities, and like it's scoring and stuff, page related to content related to your page, coverage, and many more which you get from Google Search Console itself. And then there is Google Analytics 4. Let me go to that tab. There is backlink also, and these backlinks are we get data from Google Search Console or Google Analytics itself, or we can also upload via CSV import. CSV. We currently get backlinks from Bing Webmaster and Google Analytics, and also you can download from Bing and upload it here via CSV file. This time for sure let me go back to Google Analytics, and I will show you my Google Analytics performance. See, here you will get Google Analytics data which comes from Google Analytics itself, and you have different tabs. For example, page, it will show you all the tables, all the pages which are performing well and which are performing very bad, and you can sort and you can inspect. And there is engagement, like how much engagement it is, and there is also coverage, like how many different kinds of stuff, like from the Bing Analytics itself. And there is keyword also, which we get from Datamuse and different sources. Let's move to my favorite part, Content Studio, where you will get real-time SEO metrics and stuff. As you type, you will get real-time SEO from Search Console itself. Now my second favorite part of my site is having to chat with AI. For my demo purpose, I am going to show you my history of my chat, and you can see here like there is performance metering, all we can get through chat itself. And let me also show you can also chat live in here, like in any page. And for example, forgive me for my mistyping here, and I am just saying give me some insight. In meantime, it is AI is working in background. It is gathering all the data. Let me show you something. Let me go back to compare tab. These compare tabs shows a different call chat has completed. Let me see what it has given me, and basically chat is working. Let me show you now. Compare reports, right? You can compare two different crawls, see metrics and stuffs, what it has performed well or it is doing not good, like whether your site is performance has improved or not. You can compare all the things here. And then there are many different areas in our website. For example, ISO, MCP setting, docs settings, and many different kinds of areas in our websites. It is impossible for me to cover all the website functionality in very short videos, so I am now going to wrap up my videos. Site audit is not an href. There is no live backlink index, no proprietary rank tracker, no manage clause. It is transparent, self-hosted SEO tools. That's the point. If you want to control about your audit track, give it a start on GitHub and run your first crawl today. Link in the description. Thank you. Bye.